1 week ago, we set up a Faceless YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'll share with you everything. I'll share with you the numbers on the YouTube channel, I'll share with you the results, and I'll show you the actual process. As always, any questions, comment down below. And if you like this sort of thing, where we do case studies and things, then please drop us a follow. Let's dive into it. Let's minimize the screen, and I'll walk you. Let's start with the results, shall we? So we will minimize the screen, move my head over here so you can see this. And it's going really well. So this is the channel, as you can see. I'm lying to you, actually. It's included yesterday's numbers, so it's 8 days. And with this case study, what I'll do is I'll do an update on this every week for you, so you can see how this goes along, because my plan with it is to start earning the money pretty much ASAP, okay? So if I come in here, you can see it says in the last 28 days, but it's in the last week. We've had 18,134 views, which is awesome. Our watch time is 334, and we've had 89 subscribers. So, what is the sort of plan with this? How will we structure it so we can hit the floor running, or hit the ground running with this? So, we are creating 2 to 3 minute videos, some a little bit longer, maybe 4 minutes, but none of them are longer than 5 minutes. We're creating the long form videos, 1 a day. Then, as part of that process, we are creating shorts, and I'll show you that process in this video, because I'm not creating them. I'm getting AI to do it using free software. Okay, so we're creating a long form video, and then we're creating shorts around the main long form video. Why? Well, number one, to drive those viewers from the YouTube short to the longer form video. And shorts are a great way of building the account with subscribers. Let me show you some more numbers. So if I come over here into this tab, you'll see this short over here got us 11 subscribers. It's 20 seconds long. It's awesome. If I come over here, this short over here only had 400 views, got 7 subscribers. This one got 6. This one got 3. So as you can see over here, shorts are a great way of getting people subscribed to the channel, watching your longer form content. Brilliant, isn't it? So hopefully that all makes sense. If not, drop a question down below and I'll answer it for you. So let's talk about, we'll do the long form video, then we'll do the short form videos, okay? So how am I creating these AI videos or faceless YouTube videos? Well, I'm using AI software, and I'll come over here and I'll show you the software. I'll show you inside of it, how it works. Highly recommend it. So we'll come over here and I'm going to go to, not that one, this one down here. Where is it? This one here, the dashboard for this piece of software, and I love it. I was using previously I was using a piece of software called InVideo AI. Now with InVideo, it's very similar to many others in the marketplace like Pictory and Wave and other ones, and basically what it does is you put in a prompt and then it will scour sort of free stock websites, so like images which are free that you can use for free. So it'll scour things like Pexels, Pixabay, sometimes iStock and other platforms, and it'll take all these images and put it into a video for you. With this one over here, it's generative images. So what that means is the AI in here creates a brand new unique video based around the script that you put into it. So you're not getting repeat images and stuff, okay? It's awesome. So this is how it looks on the inside. On the left hand side, you've got all of this down here. There's loads of stuff going on in here. I won't bore you with half of that today. Basically, the one you'll be spending most of your time is this one over here, the dashboard over on the left hand side. Now, what do we want to do? I want to create a faceless video. So I'm going to click on that. Now, just look at this. This is the thing what I love about this software. If I click on view all, these are templates that I can use with my AI videos. And they're awesome. They really are. We have been testing and playing around with this pixel art. They've just added in a load of new templates in the last couple of days, like clay motion down here, stained glass, low poly, and more. There's absolutely loads you can do with this, okay? The one I've been using, and the one I currently like, is hyperrealism. Wait till you see the video that this creates. Brilliant. So we're going to choose a template, and then all we've got to do is fill this in, and this, and we're good to go. Language, English. Subtitles, I use this one over here, but again, there's loads of different ones. Then you've got different voices, so you can go in here, listen to them, and as you can see on here, they've got young, they've got middle-aged, they've got British, American, Swedish, etc. So you go through, and if you want to listen to one, you simply click on the play button, find the one you're happy with, and then you select it. Done. Video length. Now notice on here, we've got horizontal and vertical, okay? So you've got options for both, and then you've got your different times. So for this one, we'll go with a vertical 1 to 3 minute video. Guess what? I'm nearly done. This is why I love this method. It takes minimal time and effort. So down here, we need a script for the AI to create the software. Now you can create a custom script, which is basically where you put your own in. You've got AI script assistant, which is basically, you can see on here, give it a topic, it'll do it for you. URL to video and also audio to video. For this, we will go with a custom script. And how do we do this? Well, I'll literally use ChatGPT. So I'll open this up and you'll see as we go through this video, okay? Nothing I'm doing here is complicated. This is incredibly beginner friendly. It's straightforward and it's simple, and it's taken less than 5 minutes a day, okay? So for this, come down here. I'm going to say, can you please give me a 1 to 3 minute video script for this YouTube video. Now, what do we want a script around? Well, it can be absolutely anything. So for this example, let's just go with, let's say Superman versus, who should we have him fighting in this video? Let's have him versus Wolverine. Let's go with that one. That'll do. And I hit on enter. And then ChatGPT will say, sure, here's the script. So what will happen here is ChatGPT starts writing the script. Once the script has been done, I come back over to Syllabi down here and I just paste it in. So I'll show you one little part of it, then I'll pause the video so you're not having to watch all of it, okay? So if I come up here, let's just go to the top. And I'm going to take this part over here, like so. I'm going to copy that, go back over to the software, and I paste that into there. And all I do is I just copy and paste from one to the other. Let me pause it. I'll be back once we've done it. Okay, so I'm back. That is all of the script in here done. So to recap on the video creation or the video scripts and everything, we literally come up here, we create a template, we choose our English, we choose our language, our subtitle, our voice, or video length, and we put in a script. Then we click on, in the top right up here, we click on generate video. And that's it done. And then what will happen is, it normally takes about 2 or 3 minutes, and then it goes down here in my videos. So I'll pause the video, I'll come back once it's done, I'll show you this and the process, and then we'll move on. Okay, so the video is done. Now you have a few options with this. So this is the video and you've got little options down here. So you can click on here and you can go in and you can edit any of the images that the software has created for you. You can publish it directly over here. You see on the left hand side where you can see bulk scheduler. You can connect the software to YouTube, Facebook and other platforms, so you can publish this directly in here. You can copy the link to it, or you can just simply download it. So first of all, let me click on here and I'll show you the actual video. So if I click on the play button, it will open up in a new tab.
What happens when the man of
steel... Pause that for a second. And I'm going to turn this up so you can hear it as well. So let me just turn it up and we'll have a look at it together. Now, it's very rare I have to do any editing to this. Okay, so I'm going to click on play. I'll show you a little clip of that.
Steel faces off against the unstoppable Wolverine. In this epic battle, Superman's godlike strength and heat vision go head to head with Wolverine's unbreakable adamantium claws.
It looks epic, doesn't it? It looks absolutely awesome. I just love it. So you can, like I say, you can go through the whole video and have a look at it and change any parts of it that you like, but I very rarely have to change any part of it. It's brilliant. So let me click on the go back on here. So once you're happy with this, you just simply click on download. Okay, so I download the video, I take it over to YouTube, and I'll give it a description, a title, and I'll upload it. Now in terms of the thumbnail, you've got a couple of options. Sometimes I go ahead and I literally just take a thumbnail from the actual video. That works really well. Or I will use ChatGPT to give me a custom prompt that I can just simply put over into Midjourney. In fact, I'll show you. Let's go over here. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say, thanks. Can you please give me a prompt for Midjourney? I mean, the other thing as well is you can just go onto a free website like Canva and create your thumbnail in there. There's lots of different ways you can go ahead and create a thumbnail. Okay, I like using Midjourney because again it's AI and it creates something epic. So I'll show you it. So this is the prompt. Absolutely awesome. I'm gonna copy that, and we are going to open up a new tab, and we are going to go over into Discord. Go on here. And I'll show you the process, okay? And then I'll show you how we get the short form videos using free software as well. So down here, let me get, why is this opened up? Click on there, there we go. And you can see here's some previous ones we've done. So if I click on / prompt, and I just paste that into there, hit on enter, and then it'll take a minute, and this will create me a unique thumbnail that I can use for YouTube. And then obviously, if you want to overlay text on this, you just simply take the image, take it into Canva or any editing app, and just put your text over the top of this, okay? So whilst that there is running, it says it's fast. Let's wait, we'll come back to that. Oh, look, there you go. Look at that, it's starting to create some absolutely awesome thumbnails. Look at that. Brilliant. So I can use these for my thumbnails if I want. And obviously, if I wanted to mess around with it and, you know, have different variations of this one or them ones, I'd just run variations. But that's the thumbnail. So we've done the long form video. We've got our thumbnail. Let me show you this piece of software. So this over here, and again, I'll drop it down below for you. Don't worry. It's called Opus Clip. And you'll see here, look, free 60 credits. So you can get 60 credits absolutely for free every month. They do have a paid option. I don't use it, but if you want to, you can crack on. So I'll put a link to this down below for you. And how it works is you drop a video link in here and you click on get free clips. So if I go over to YouTube and we will take any video, so let's find a short video. So this one over here, I'm going to click on here and I am going to click on share, copy. Now obviously I'd be doing this with my own video. We'd come on here, we'd paste that into here like so, and we click on get free clips. And then it'll prompt you to sign up or create an account. But you'll see up here, this is in my account, which is absolutely free. And you can see I've got other videos down here where we've done this process. Takes a second, brings up your video, scroll down here. Now what I do is, or what I recommend you to do is, clip length. So this is the output it will give you. You would click on less than 30 seconds, because obviously you want your short to be less than 30 seconds. And then you just simply hit on get clips in one click, and then it'll give you a bunch of YouTube shorts that you can use and upload. You can also take those shorts and put them onto TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and any other platform really. And that's it. So that has been the process. One long form video, and then we're uploading 2 to 3 shorts a day, and that's it. Now going back over here to this software, where's it gone? This one over here, this syllabi. It is, as you've seen, it is straightforward and simple. Now, if you decide to go ahead and sign up to this, I'm going to give you a few things to help you with your journey on this, okay? So I'll show you these, because it's all geared around YouTube. So you see all of these in here. I will email these to you absolutely for free. This includes things I'm doing on my YouTube channel to get the growth that we are doing. Because realistically, I think probably another 3 or 4 weeks, this channel will be monetized, and we're going to start adding in different monetization methods like affiliate marketing, okay? So these are some of the little freebies I am going to give you. So this over here is a YouTube cheat sheet. Basically, everything that we're doing on the channel is included in, why is it at the bottom over here? Look, the ultimate YouTube cheat sheet. And then I've got loads more for you. So we've got question and answer videos, we've got video listicles, we've got creating killer content, and I'll just email all of these out to you to help you get the best from your video content, okay? So that is today's video. That is the update on the channel. I'll do another update on this method in a week, and I'll show you where we're up to and what we're doing and all of the numbers. So look, that's today's video. Any questions, please do comment down below. Take care. I'll see you soon.